Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to view maps in BaseCamp. Now, I know BaseCamp can be a bit overwhelming at first, but I'm here to help you navigate through it and get the most out of it. So, let's get started. Question: how do I view maps in BaseCamp? Answer: there are a few different ways to view maps in BaseCamp. The most common way is to connect your GPS device to your computer. Once your device is connected, BaseCamp will automatically recognize it and display your maps. Here are the steps to follow. Connect your GPS device to your computer. Launch BaseCamp. Your device will appear in the left pane of the screen under Devices. Click on your device to view its maps. If you don't have a GPS device, you can still view maps in BaseCamp by downloading them from Garmin's website. Here are the steps to follow. Go to Garmin's website and download the map you want. Once the map is downloaded, unzip the file and save it to your computer. Launch BaseCamp. Click on File and then Import. Select the map file you downloaded. The map will be imported into BaseCamp and will appear in the left pane of the screen under My Collections. Once you have your maps in BaseCamp, you can view them in a variety of ways. You can zoom in and out on the map. You can pan the map around. You can change the map view to satellite, topographic, or hybrid. You can add markers, routes, and tracks to the map. I hope this helps you get started with viewing maps in BaseCamp. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.